going to pick up from my previous video where we looked at using generative AI to build a list of keywords based on the description in our YouTube video, and then using the YouTube API, go in and update the video directly. So I had somebody ask about using VidIQ for those keywords and being able to use the scores there to pick the best keywords from that list. So we're going to take the first step towards doing that today. Ultimately, we're going to get it fully automated, but for today, we're going to just take one step towards that. So we're going to start with a list of potential keywords, just a string with commas between the keywords. In the previous example, I asked generative AI to give me around 6 or 8 of those. For this, I upped that to 30. So we're going to take a large list and we're going to see which ones rank the highest. So you can see my list here, just put into the cell in A1. And what I've done is I've gone and I've built a separate sheet where I've taken all of these keywords and a number of other ones and gone into VidIQ, looked up the score, and put it in here. This is something that we're going to want to automate in the future, but for the time being, having this here somewhat manually created is going to allow us to do a lot of this automatically and then build on it in the future. So we're going to go and we're going to split up our string of keywords into the individual keywords, which you can see I'm doing here. And then for each of those, we're going to try and look up in the keywords sheet whether that value exists and what the score is. Just to kind of help with the process, I'm creating a hypertext link here in case I don't have the score. I can go in, just click on this, grab it real quick. You can see a couple examples here where I've looked up some of the keywords, just copying this value and going and putting it into the keywords tab. Now, a few of these values have changed since I did it, but they're roughly in the same area. And really what we care about is kind of generally what the score is, not exactly what it is. So now that we've gotten scores for all of our potential keywords, all 30 of them, you can see them here. We're then going to sort that keyword list by the score. And this is the ranking order that we get here. And then we simply pick however many we want, in this case 8. So this is all we would have to do. In our previous example, we would just point our Colab script at this new cell. You could also just copy and paste and put it directly into your YouTube video, and it'll convert these to tags for your keywords. So that's it for now. We're going to build on this in future episodes. And really the idea is that this is useful to save some time as it is, but we want to be able to 100x this. If I want to go in and update the keywords based on ranking and generative AI suggestions for every video on my channel, that's ultimately what I want to build up to.